Levels. This is one of the main problems of this bike. Excellent, running out of fuel. These are the ones I found. Because I would have been, you know, at, oh shit, it's 8 kilometers to go back. And treacherous mountains. Maybe I go back. But I'll just have a moment for myself. And I'll go back. Otherwise it's just a waste of time. I'm so tired already. Oh my god, I'm lost. I'm going to ask her to help me to go back, do a U-turn. The next gas station forward in the mountains, and I don't want to be in the mountains. So she opened the gate and radioed the other guy to open the gate the other side. Stay tuned, keep watching and see how I got out of this 6. The lake is here, and I'm here. Because I went like this. One mistake takes you off the other side of the mountain. And then if there's a motorway you cannot turn, so that's it. So this is the cable car. We're going to buy a ticket and take the cable car and go up the mountain. And this is the mountain here. How beautiful is that? Look. Right, so this is the helmet. We arrived. We're going by the lake. Taking you everywhere, guys. So please like, share and subscribe. It takes a lot to get here. Wow, it's really breathtaking. Let's look at the altitude, how far we are. Look, wow. Oh, look at this slide. It's one of the most famous things in Switzerland where you can ride this. It goes all around the mountain. The ticket is like 20 Swiss francs. And it lasts about 15 minutes. It's really cool. If you've never tried it, you should try it, really. It's a bit slow, but it's very nice. Very interesting. Here I am trying to return to the cable cars to go down. Because cable cars would close at 6 o'clock, 18 hours, and then there's no other way. There is other way to go down, but it's a 2-hour hike. Yeah, it would be cold, rainy, and terrible. Right.